Hello, everyone. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're here at the National Car Wash Show, and we've showed you everything from brushes to air vents to towels to flags. So we thought at least there'd be a couple nice cars here, so we thought we'd give you a quick look around. I did have a ride in this at last year's CES. Of course, they won't let you drive it, but boy, it was a fantastic BMW car. I'm not all that impressed with the all-electric one, the looks of it. But again, this is the i8. So I thought I'd give you a quick look at this. We can all dream and hope, right? And of course, who doesn't like those doors? Again, it's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. Let's show you some of the other different products and inventions around here. It's funny, there's only been about 3 or 4 actual, now there's 4 cars in here. And here's obviously a live demonstration. Of a Mustang going through one, and I believe over here this is just a typical SUV. Excuse me, that's the Porsche. Macan. I never knew they even had that. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to a couple of other shows, but I wanted to make sure you saw everything you could here at the National Car Wash Show. Again, a long time ago, I owned a detailing business, a mobile detailing system. Ooh, look at the lights coming off the Tesla. At least that looks good. And then I franchised it across the United States, and then I sold it many, many years back. So I think we're done here. Make sure you share it. Let us know what you want to see. Put it up on... let us know what you want us to cover, what shows you want to see. We cover every great show there is, and we report on nothing but the new technologies. And make sure you stop by Washworks too. They have excellent products too. So again, this is JT Ippolito from the National Car Wash Show, signing off. I just wanted to let you know. Thank you.